Good morning student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, TGT Maths, and let's be continue first lesson integer. Earlier we have seen many operation of integers. Now we will start to solve different type of word problem. So student, we have to take first example of word problem. At 4 a.m. the temperature of a country was -2 degrees Celsius, and after 6 hours the temperature was 5 degrees Celsius. Find part number A, the rise in temperature, and part number B, the temperature of another country was 3 degrees Celsius more than that of this country at 4 a.m. What is the temperature of the other country at 4 a.m.? So as we know, temperature at 4 a.m. that is -2 degrees Celsius, and temperature after 6 hours from 4 a.m. after 6 hours, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is at 10 a.m. the temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Part number first, we have to find rise in temperature at 10 a.m. So rise in temperature at 10 a.m. that is final temperature minus initial temperature. The final temperature at 10 a.m. that is 5 degrees Celsius minus initial temperature that is 4 a.m. minus 2 degrees Celsius. The 5 degrees Celsius minus plus 2 degrees Celsius, that is 7 degrees Celsius. So students, the temperature rise at 10 a.m. is 7 degrees Celsius. Now part number B, to find temperature of another country at 4 a.m. Since temperature of another country at 4 a.m. is equal to -2 degrees Celsius, this is the temperature of previous country at 4 a.m. plus 3 degrees Celsius. As we know, the operation of minus and plus sign will always a greater number, that is plus, and the difference between smaller from greater. 3 minus 2, that is 1 degree Celsius at 4 a.m. So the temperature of other country at 4 a.m. is 1 degree Celsius. I hope so you have learned, but now we should take another example of word problem. First I have to read, in a class test +4 marks are given for every correct answer and -3 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Manu answered all the questions and scored 17 marks. Though she got 8 correct answers, how many incorrect answers did she attempt? First we have to write given portion which are picked from sentences. Marks given for one correct answer, so marks given for one correct answer, that is +4, and marks given for one incorrect answer, one incorrect answer, that is -3, So write here -3. Number of correct answers he attempted. And total marks scored by Manu. Total marks scored by Manu, that is 17. And number of correct answer, she got 8 correct answers. So we write 8 here in front of number of correct answers. To find number of incorrect answer, that is question mark, we should know how many number of incorrect answer she attempted. Since marks given for 8 correct answers, that is 8 multiply plus 4, so plus 32 marks she got for 8 correct answers. Therefore, marks obtained for incorrect answer, we don't know how many incorrect answers she attempted, but marks obtained for incorrect answer, that is total marks minus marks got for correct answer. Here is total marks. Total marks scored by Manu, that is 17, minus marks got for correct answer. So marks got for correct answer, that is 32. We know the operation, one positive and one negative integer. So we subtract the smaller number from larger number and put the sign of greater number. So greater number is 32, then sign is minus, and subtraction, the result is 15. So marks score obtained for incorrect answer is minus 15. Minus is stand for incorrect. Now number of incorrect answers she attempted is equal to marks got for incorrect answer upon marks given for incorrect answer. So marks got for incorrect answer, that is minus 15, and marks given for one incorrect answer, that is minus 3. Minus become plus, and 3 5s are 15. So Manu attempted 5 incorrect answer. Student, I hope all of you understand how a word problem can be solved with the help of information and the criteria we should to find, and using the information given in sentence. We will meet the next video. Thank you.